What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Now, this video won't be a typical one for me. We're not doing anything on music production or audio engineering. This was really just a video to say thank you to you, the viewer, the subscriber, for supporting me over this past year. 2018 is almost over, and looking back, I know we don't have crazy numbers, but to see the growth of this channel and this community is just really exciting, not just for now, but for the future. So as a thank you for your support, I am excited to announce that I'm teaming up with Plugin Boutique and Loop Masters to do a little bit of a giveaway for you guys. Real quick though, before I tell you about the giveaway, I do have a small favor to ask. Now, I love to make YouTube videos on the one thing that I am the most passionate about, and that is music, but I also want to make sure I'm hitting the mark. If you could, in a quick comment down below, just let me know what you want to see more of from me and from this channel moving forward into 2019. Whether that be more beat making videos or specific tutorials, let me know in a comment down below. But okay, on to the giveaway, and this is how it's going to work. We're going to have 3 prizes, including 2,000 points for Loop Cloud, which is essentially Loop Master's royalty-free sound service. You can exchange these points for royalty-free samples and loops and make your beats that way. A copy of Scalar. Now, I've talked about this plugin extensively, and if you're a producer, this is an absolute no-brainer and a go-to. And last but not least, a copy of Bassmaster. Now, all of the things that were given away, I've done reviews on, so if you need a refresher, I'm gonna link them down below. Now, to enter the giveaway, it's super simple. All you have to do is click the first link in the description, and it'll take you to the giveaway landing page. There, you can do certain actions to gain entries, like for example, being subscribed to this channel is 1 entry, following Plugin Boutique on their Twitter is another entry, and so on and so forth. The giveaway will last 2 weeks starting December 18th, which is when I upload this video, up until December 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, and I'll be announcing the winners first week of January on my Instagram, so make sure to follow there. But that's it guys, thank you so much for your support over this past year, and I am super excited for what next year will bring. Now, I will be taking a quick 2-week break to decompress and spend some time with the family, but again, thank you for everything. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway, and as always, like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you're not already, but I will see you guys in 2019.